Frisco just hit 5.8 months of housing inventory. That is the highest number on this chart. And this chart goes back 5 years. And here's the weird part. This is the chart. We are hitting 5.8% of inventory in May 2026. So this is May 2021. It was 0.8%. So here's the weird part. Prices actually went up last month. So let me show you what is really going on. Today is Friday, June 12th, and I'm Neda with Houses by Neda, and I will do this every Friday from today, every Friday. So you don't have to dig through the data yourself. Okay, so look at this chart with me. Back in 2021, Frisco had less than 1 month of inventory. If a decent house hit the market, it was gone that weekend. 20 offers later, and people waiving everything. Fast forward to today, 5.8 months. It's been climbing all spring, up almost 18% in just the last month. And here's why that number matters. 6 months is kind of the magic line in real estate. Below 6, sellers have the edge. Above 6, buyers do. Frisco is sitting at 5.8% right now. So we are knocking on the door of a true buyer's market. RPR officially calls this a balanced market right now. And honestly, Frisco hasn't been able to say this in years. And here's the part that surprises people. With all that inventory, you'd think that prices should go down or they are falling, right? No. Median sold price in May was $670,000. That's up 4.7% from April. Now, before anybody panics in either direction, it is still down 1% from this time last year. And so this isn't prices taking off again. It's more like a bounce, and sellers are still getting 97.6% of their asking price. So if you are a buyer waiting for Frisco to go on clearance, I'm gonna be honest with you, that's not what's gonna happen. What you are getting is more choices, and in this market, choices are leverage. But here's the tell. This is my favorite part of the report. Look at what went under contract in May. The median list price on those was $669,900, and that's down over 4.3% from the month before. So the homes buyers are actually saying yes to, they are one that are priced right and priced sharper. And check this out. There were about 1,100 active listings in Frisco in May and only 265 sales. 1,100 homes, 265 buyers. So you do the math on who has options here. Of course, buyers. From 1,100 listings, it was these are 265 houses sold. Roughly it's going to be roughly 4 listings for every sale. Buyer can afford to be picky here. And one more number, the homes that are sold. They've been under contract in 27 days, median. But the stuff sitting on the market right now is averaging 42 days and counting. So there is really 2 markets in Frisco. Homes priced right that move in under a contract within a month, and homes priced wrong. That's it. They just sit. So let's go real quick, zip code by zip code. In 75034, the West Frisco and Tollway, median list price is $850,000, priciest part of the town, and even their inventory is up 8%. 75035, the east side of Frisco, 735,000 is average listing price, and the listing were up 20%. 75033, Central and North Frisco. Yeah, and this one had the biggest jump of all. Listing is up almost 29%. And finally, 75036, out by the lake. 574,000 median list price, and the listings went up 12%. So every single zip code gained inventory. Not one of them gained pricing power. That's our story. So what do you do with this? If you are buying, especially if you're relocating here from out of states, this is the most selection Frisco has given in the past 5 years. Negotiation, you can negotiate this inspection items, ask for closing costs or a rate buy down. You have room now. And if you're selling, those first 2 weeks decide everything. If you want to be in the 27-day group, not the 42-day group, and that comes down to pricing it right on day one. So these data, all data is from RPR and MLS sources. I pulled the data today on June 12th, 2026. Again, I'm Neda. Follow me at Houses by Neda for more honest tips and tricks, and I see you next Friday.